Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Heizlfter is probably one of the most sought-after home comfort solutions for those seeking efficient and reliable heating, especially during colder months. Imagine stepping into a perfectly warm room without the hassle of complex installations or the worry of high energy bills. This device aims to deliver just that, blending powerful performance with user-friendly operation. It's designed to be a versatile addition to any living space, ensuring consistent warmth and a cozy atmosphere, making it an essential consideration for homeowners looking to upgrade their heating system or find a supplementary solution that truly makes a difference in their daily comfort. Number 5. Roku Express 4K Plus Streaming Device. Experience stunning visuals with our device. Stream in HD, 4K, and HDR for sharp resolution and vivid colors that are perfectly optimized for your TV. Enjoy a smooth and uninterrupted streaming experience. It provides a faster wireless network connection for all your entertainment needs. Say goodbye to juggling multiple remotes. You can power up your TV, adjust the volume, and control your streaming device, all with this single, convenient remote. Finding your next favorite show is easier than ever. Quickly search for content, play entertainment, and control your device using just your voice. Personalize your viewing experience with a customizable home screen. Your favorite channels are always front and center, and it updates automatically. Get started in minutes. Simply plug it into your TV and connect to the internet, no separate power adapter is needed. Discover a massive selection of content. Stream a vast array of free, live, and premium TV, including over 350 free live TV channels. What we like. Experience stunning visuals with this device. It offers a smooth streaming experience and simplifies your entertainment setup with a single remote. If you're looking for an easy upgrade to your home theater with excellent picture quality, this is the one for you. What people say. The picture quality is spectacular, it's incredibly easy to use and set up. It provides stellar picture quality and good sound. Image is crisp for movies both in color and classics in black and white. Device is easy to set up and use. It allows me to connect my phone to project apps onto TV and play music and shows from around the world that do not have an app. Number 4. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner 1400B. Join over 7 million households who trust us for their deep cleaning needs. We are America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. Tired of stubborn messes? Our scientifically proven formula lifts and removes over 100 common messes and stains, making cleaning stress-free. Experience the power of our triple action formula. It permanently removes stains and eliminates odors, leaving your surfaces looking and smelling like new. Clean more without interruption thanks to the large capacity clean water tank. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions with fewer refills. Cleaning is simple with our easy 3-step process. Just spray the affected area, scrub away the stain, and suction it up for a spotless finish. Stop spreading messes with paper towels. Our cleaner effectively tackles stains and odors deep beneath the surface for a true clean. Feel good about your purchase. Every unit bought helps BISSELL Pet Foundation in its mission to save homeless pets. What we like. Tackle tough messes with ease using this powerful cleaner. Its portable design makes stain removal simple, and every purchase supports a great cause. If you have frequent spills, pets, or need a quick cleanup solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. So far, I've had 100% success cleaning up cat vomit, dog bile, and mud. These stains were cleaned off a wool throw rug, nylon polyester blend carpet, and polyester upholstery, respectively. The machine is relatively light to carry around and is compact to stow away when finished. I liked that the electrical cord was very long, which made it easy to use in rooms with only a few outlets. Number 3. Gillette Fusion 5 Power Razor Blade Refills, 8 count. Introducing the Gillette Fusion 5 Power Razor Blade Refills. Designed for a superior shaving experience. Experience advanced shaving technology that provides exceptional comfort and closeness. Our blades are engineered for a smooth glide. Achieve perfect lines and edges with the built-in precision trimmer. It's ideal for shaping sideburns and hard-to-reach areas. Each refill is designed for long-lasting performance, ensuring you get a great shave, time after time. This pack contains 8 refills. Get the ultimate shave with Gillette Fusion 5 Power. It's the perfect choice for men seeking a clean and comfortable shave. What we like. Achieve a close and comfortable shave with advanced blade technology. The precision trimmer allows for detailed styling. If you're seeking a superior shaving experience with enhanced control and closeness, this is the ideal razor for you. What people say. Fusion 5 Power razors by Gillette are the best and longest lasting on the market. I have not been cut in 4 years of use, while getting a really close shave. Works with warm water as a lube, skipping the soaps and oils some folks use. The 5-blade design really makes a difference. It gets everything in just a few passes, so there's no tugging or having to go over the same area repeatedly. The precision trimmer on the back is also a big plus, especially for shaping around facial hair or tight spots. They also seem to last quite a while before needing a replacement, which makes the cost reasonable. These Gillette Fusions are the best razors I've ever used. They shave so close and smooth, one refill blade lasts a very long time. Number 2. NUTRIBULLET NBR-0601WM Personal Blender. Introducing the original NUTRIBULLET. It has everything you need to begin your journey towards a healthier you. Effortlessly create nutritious smoothies from fruits, vegetables, and more. It delivers essential nutrients to your body simply and deliciously. With 600 watts of power, it transforms ingredients like strawberries and spinach into smooth, sippable nutrition. Its simple and intuitive design makes it a device you'll want to use every day. Just push, twist, and blend, it's that easy. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and the cups are dishwasher safe. Enjoy health without the hassle. This package includes the 600W motor base, extractor blade, 24-ounce cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and a recipe book. What we like. Create nutritious smoothies and meals in seconds with its powerful motor. The intuitive design makes it incredibly easy to use and clean. If you want a fast, simple way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, this blender is perfect for you. What people say. It's super easy to use and blends everything so smoothly, from frozen fruits to nuts, no problem at all. I love how quick it is, especially in the mornings when I don't have much time. In just seconds, I have a perfect smoothie with no chunks. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean, which is a huge plus for me. I like that the NUTRIBULLET doesn't leak at all, the cups and blades are easy to clean, and replacement cups are available. At 24 ounces, it's the perfect size for a one-person smoothie. It blends everything, frozen fruit, veggies, juice, water, like a boss. No chunks, no struggle. As long as I stay near the max fill line, it takes under a minute to go from frozen blocks to delicious smoothie. Operation is super simple, just press the cup down into the base and give it a twist, and off it goes. No buttons, no confusing settings. And cleanup? Incredibly easy. While the blades are attached to the lid, it still rinses clean in seconds without any fuss. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover the ultimate daily moisturizer designed for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration without any fragrance. Formulated with ceramides and niacinamide, this cream works to repair your skin's natural barrier. Experience a healthier, more radiant complexion with consistent use. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or sensitive, this moisturizer is perfect for you. It delivers essential hydration without causing irritation. Feel the difference from the very first application. It instantly soothes and calms your skin, providing relief from dryness and discomfort. Enjoy continuous hydration throughout the day. This formula locks in moisture, keeping your skin soft, supple, and protected. We've created this moisturizer without any added fragrances. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. What we like. Restore and hydrate your skin with this effective moisturizer. It's formulated with key ingredients suitable for all skin types and is gentle enough for daily use. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for long-lasting hydration without irritation, this is the perfect daily cream. What people say. It's lightweight but still very hydrating and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy feeling. My skin feels softer and more balanced throughout the day, and it layers really well under makeup. I also love that it doesn't irritate my sensitive skin. Incredibly soft but easily blends into the skin. Leaves behind no oily mess or residue. Leaves my face glowing. And it makes my foundation go on so much nicer. It feels lightweight but still very hydrating, which is perfect for everyday use. I have sensitive skin, and this cream works great without causing any irritation. It absorbs quickly, doesn't feel greasy, and leaves my skin soft and smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.